subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new affordable phone under Y series in Vietnam called Vivo Y12s, and it is the successor of the last year's launched Vivo Y12 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y12s supports a 6.51-inch HD plus IPS display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by an MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y12s features a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual A camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y12s has been priced in Vietnam for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 3,290,000 Vietnamese dong, while the higher variant with 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Phantom Black and Glacier Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y12s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.